Okay, so this is to do with the Seagate 2 gig Barracuda. This drive has been working fine for about 4 or 5 years. It's just failed starting to beep when the computer boots up. Sort of goes through a boot cycle, the hard disk boot cycle. Beeps, sounds mechanical, can't really feel it. So I've got hold of another drive to take any donor part out, because it sort of feels mechanical. As you can see, I've gone a bit mad here, but as I've got nothing to lose, so I'm just taking things apart and just see if I can fix it. So here's the hard drive. Here's the board off the new hard drive. I've tried both the old and the new. That's fine. I've tried replacing the head assembly here, taking that out. I've tried replacing the board, but this is what ends up happening, and no idea why. So I've replaced everything except the actual discs, and here it is, it booting up. So spools up, and there we go. Yeah, let's try it again. And that's it. Yeah, I was giving it another go. So let's just power it off. Okay, that's powered off. Comes to a halt. Just also want to say as well, though, the failed drive compared to the donor drive did have a lot of dust in. So this is the filter off the bad drive, and I think the clean ones fell out, but the other one was much cleaner than that. And you could see sort of a fine, as you're probably seeing here, sort of a fine dust. See that sort of grey there from it's picking it up, but in this one, the donor, it's it's spotless. Look, in the equivalent place. So don't know what's happened. I think dust might have got in or something, I don't know. Not that that should bother. Yeah, fed up. I've always had Seagate drives and it's been fine. I'm reading online. You see I haven't got that screw in there. Yeah, that's it. So I don't know whether, as the drive boots up, it tries to read some of the cylinders there, and if it doesn't do that, it fires across. See, at the very beginning, it goes right to the centre, and then doesn't go as far, and then just gives up. So I don't know. I think this is for the bin. I'm fed up. Alright, if it helps anyone, if you know how the hell to fix this, I don't know. Try and suggest it. If you want to have a go yourself, sort of use these screws, the 1, 0 and whatever the hell that is. Anyway, yeah, that's what I had. Yeah, good luck.